Are you worried about having no evidence after an accident or vandalism to your parked car? The dashcam market in 2025 has delivered some incredible recording solutions that provide crystal clear evidence, protect you from insurance fraud, and give you peace of mind knowing every drive is documented. In this comprehensive guide, we're counting down the 5 best dash cam systems combining front and rear coverage for complete vehicle protection. From budget-friendly, reliable options to premium feature-packed systems, each dash cam on this list offers excellent video quality and unique advantages. But wait until you see our number 1 pick. It captures such incredibly detailed footage in darkness that it's revolutionizing what we expect from night recording. Number 5, 70mm A810. The 70mm A810 kicks off our list as an excellent budget-friendly dual-channel dashcam that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get reliable accident documentation and peace of mind. This value-packed system from Chinese tech brand 70mm brings solid performance and essential features at an accessible price point. What makes the A810 special is the 4K front camera resolution capturing incredibly detailed footage that clearly shows license plates, road signs, and facial features even at highway speeds during daytime driving conditions. The rear camera records in 1080p Full HD, providing sufficient detail to document vehicles behind you and capture license plates of cars following too closely or involved in rear-end collisions. The built-in GPS module logs your driving route, speed, and location data that can prove invaluable during insurance claims or legal disputes where your position and velocity matter. The parking mode with time-lapse recording monitors your vehicle when parked using motion detection to capture incidents like hit-and-runs or vandalism attempts while minimizing battery drain. The wide 150-degree viewing angle on both cameras captures multiple lanes of traffic, providing comprehensive coverage that doesn't miss vehicles in adjacent lanes during accidents. Number 4, Vantrue N4 Pro. Coming in at number 4 is the Vantrue N4 Pro, a unique 3-channel dashcam system that adds interior cabin recording, making this perfect for rideshare drivers, taxi operators, or parents monitoring teen drivers. This versatile system provides the most comprehensive coverage available, documenting everything happening inside and outside your vehicle simultaneously. What sets the N4 Pro apart is the infrared night vision cabin camera that clearly captures interior activities even in complete darkness, protecting rideshare drivers from false accusations while monitoring passenger behavior during nighttime rides. The 4K front camera and dual 1080p cameras for rear and interior provide excellent image quality across all 3 channels, ensuring you capture clear evidence regardless of where an incident occurs. The supercapacitor power system, instead of internal battery, provides superior reliability in extreme temperatures, from freezing winters to scorching summers, where lithium batteries fail or become safety hazards. The 24-hour parking mode with buffered recording captures footage before, during, and after detected motion or impacts while parked, providing complete context for parking lot incidents rather than just the moment of impact. The time-lapse function reduces file sizes during extended parking periods, making storage more efficient, while still providing coverage that captures important events. Number 3, Rove R2 4K Dual. The Rove R2 4K Dual secures the 3rd spot on our list as an American company's answer to overseas competition, bringing quality construction, responsive customer support, and reliable performance that gives buyers confidence. This well-engineered dual-channel system represents excellent value, combining solid specifications with the peace of mind of dealing with US-based support when issues arise. What makes the R2 4K exceptional is the genuine 4K resolution front camera with Sony Starvis sensor, delivering outstanding image quality with accurate colors, excellent detail, and superior low-light performance compared to cameras using cheaper sensors. The built-in Wi-Fi allows quick wireless connection to your smartphone for reviewing footage, adjusting settings, and downloading important clips without cables or removing memory cards from the dashcam. The rotating front camera lens allows precise aim adjustment, ensuring optimal angle coverage regardless of windshield angle or mounting position, something fixed lens cameras struggle with in certain vehicles. The supercapacitor design provides extreme temperature reliability from -4 degrees to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring the dashcam functions reliably whether you live in Alaska or Arizona. The loop recording with multiple file length options allows customization based on your memory card size and preferences, while the automatic overwrite ensures the oldest footage is replaced when storage fills. Number 2. Myo 5 S1 Ultra. Taking the runner-up position is the Myo 5 S1 Ultra, a feature-packed premium dash cam system that brings advanced driver assistance features alongside excellent recording quality for comprehensive vehicle protection. This sophisticated system represents the intersection of safety technology and documentation, providing real-time alerts that help prevent accidents before they happen. What makes the S1 Ultra special is the comprehensive ADAS suite, including forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and speed camera notifications that actively help you drive safer rather than just recording incidents after they occur. The impressive front 4K and rear 2K resolution cameras provide exceptional detail clarity on both channels, ensuring you capture clear license plates and facial features from vehicles ahead and behind during any incident. The cloud connectivity with optional subscription uploads important clips automatically to secure cloud storage, ensuring evidence is preserved even if someone steals your dash cam or memory card after an accident. The voice control integration allows hands-free operation to save important clips, take photos, or disable audio recording without taking your hands off the wheel or eyes off the road. The advanced parking surveillance with low-voltage cutoff protects your vehicle battery while still providing impact and motion detection that captures parking lot incidents without draining your battery dead overnight. Number 1. Viofo A229 Pro, the game changer. Finally, here it is. The number 1 dash cam that's absolutely changing everything with night vision technology so advanced it captures clear footage in near total darkness. The Viofo A229 Pro. This isn't just another dash cam. It's a revolutionary recording system that solves the biggest weakness of traditional dash cams by delivering crystal clear footage in lighting conditions where other cameras produce dark, grainy, unusable video, ensuring you have evidence regardless of when incidents occur. The Viofo A229 Pro features cutting-edge Sony Starvis 2 sensors in both front and rear cameras, delivering absolutely stunning night performance that captures readable license plates, clear facial features, and important details even on dark, unlit roads where conventional dash cams fail completely. What makes this system truly extraordinary is the front 4K and rear 2K resolution combined with those exceptional low-light sensors, providing the perfect balance of detail and night performance that captures everything you need during any lighting condition from bright noon sun to pitch black midnight. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi provides lightning-fast wireless transfer speeds, allowing you to download large 4K video files to your smartphone in seconds rather than the painfully slow minutes that 2.4 GHz systems require. The Bluetooth connectivity enables instant automatic connection to your phone as soon as you approach your vehicle, providing seamless access to footage and settings without manual pairing procedures every time.